Josh was a boy.
Movie.
I know what you want from me. You that's the right thing. Don't know.
Danger.
Yay! McDonald's! It's so yummy! And yeah, this might be the last part of... Why is my mom watching the Drunken episode 6?
Ala, bakit inano mo?
Guys, we're eating McDonald's now, I guess.
I'm so
Where's our...
Again, gusto mo ba kumain?
McDonald's. I guess I was a boy, I guess. I told the girl.
That's so quick.
That was not even quick enough. It keeps changing. It keeps changing. You me. See. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat a Happy Meal.
Tingnan ko muna. Sino yung may fries and
Chicken nuggets.
toy?
This is my. Can you just stop moving it? I'm gonna eat it right now.
And chocolate.
Guys.
Yan.
Oh, they got my order wrong. They didn't even get me apple juice.
So you make fries. Can you check if that's correct?
That's great stuff. Oh, at least I got this dinosaur.
Yep.
It's backward. Let me.
Oh,
And I'll show you.
milk. No, I shouldn't get
Aw,
Pokemon.
chocolate milk though.
Ano sabi ko, apple slice ako ah. Ay, hindi. Ito yung sa'yo. Mali yung binigay sa atin. You put them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Mali. Walang apple slice. Kasi nilagay ko apple slices eh. Right, Arkin? Oh, that's puro toys. Di ba sabi ko book ako? Oh, that's yours.
I got two, guys.
Ara, maglagay ka ng tissue dyan para
It's mine. I'm gonna make a bar too.
Ara, yan dyan.
Oh,
What did I get?
here.
Let's go!
Just pouring it. I'm adding some to it.
Ipon, Ara.